I'm Urmil Shah. I've been a chef for many years in many different countries. Today I want to cook from home and share with you a recipe. Let's do a simple Italian dish, lemon pasta. For the ingredients we have linguini, parsley, olive oil, lemon, red chili flakes, pepper, salt, garlic, butter, Parmesan cheese. First of all, let's have a pot of boiling water in which we will cook our pasta al dente. Let's salt the water with 2 tablespoons of salt and put the pasta and cook for 10 to 11 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, let's make a sauce. Let's prep for the sauce. First of all, we'll slice the garlic fine. Then we will zest our lemon. Be sure to use the lemon, the yellow part, as the white part will make it bitter. And this zest will give more taste and aroma to the dish as it will release all the lemon oils in the sauce. Give the zest a rough cloth. Keep it aside. Half the lemon and squeeze it to give the juice. To get more juice, you can roll the lemon before squeezing. Let's chop some parsley now. Let's get all our ingredients together and make the sauce. We have all our ingredients here. The pasta is boiling and I have a pan going on medium heat. Let's make the sauce. When the pan is hot enough, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and let it warm. Be careful to use the best quality of olive oil because this dish has very few ingredients and the quality matters the most in the taste. When the oil is warm, add the chopped garlic and chili flakes to taste. You can add as much as you want according to how hot you want it and wait for it to bubble. We don't need it very dark, but we need it sauteed. Here today I have used whole wheat pasta. You can also substitute it with zucchini spirals to make a vegan dish. Now you can see it bubbling, so it's time to add the lemon zest. We don't add the lemon zest before, otherwise it will make the pasta bitter. Swirl it around, let it be coated with the oil and then add the butter. Swirl the pan so that the butter starts melting. Then we add the lemon juice. Now it's time to add the pasta. Don't worry if some of the pasta water goes into the sauce, as it will help to make the sauce. The starch in the pasta water helps it to thicken. Be careful when you are seasoning the dish because the pasta water is salty. Let's toss this. We can add some of the pasta water and switch off the heat. Time to add the Parmesan cheese. Add it a little at a time so that it doesn't form clumps. If you feel that you need some cheese, grate some more. You can see that the sauce has thickened. Now we add fresh parsley to give it some color and freshness to the dish. Add a little pinch of pepper and a pinch of salt. Pasta is ready to plate. Let's plate the pasta. Take it with a tongs and try to make a swirl when you are plating the pasta so that it stands high. Make sure to put all the sauce and top it with some more Parmesan cheese. As they say, you never have enough cheese. Just to make it a little better, we add a lemon slice for garnish. Here's your pasta ready to taste. Let's taste it. So hot. The freshness of the lemon gives it a good summery taste.